Welcome to 230th Street. This beautiful single-family home in this wonderful neighborhood of Torrance is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. Enter into hardwood floors. Quickly to the left is a family room with fireplace and plenty of light and air. And as you continue walking through to the dining area with built-ins, ceiling fans, a slider out to the back, and hardwood floors, open to this spacious kitchen with a laundry closet next door, granite countertops, gas cooktop, stainless steel sink, dishwasher, and built-in ovens. The back living area has skylights, ceiling fans, wood floors, plenty of windows, grand fireplace, and a slider out to the backyard. As we access the back area, you have a full covered patio with a top lawn area with artificial turf. And as you go down the stairs, you have a spacious, expansive yard with mature plants and fruit trees. You will notice recessed lighting throughout the house and freshly painted. The first bedroom off the hall has a ceiling fan and a nice closet area. All of the bedrooms have remote control lighting and ceiling fans. Second bedroom is a little bit bigger with a much larger closet. And the windows are treated with honeycomb shades throughout the house. The hallway has added closet for convenience. And the hall bath has double sinks, granite countertops, and a shower tub enclosure. The third bedroom is a primary bedroom with an ensuite bathroom. It has a ceiling fan, 2 good-sized windows, and a large closet, hardwood floors. Its bathroom has its own walk-in shower with granite countertops and tile floors. Finally, we have the 4th bedroom, which overlooks the patio in the back. Once again, a large closet. This house is available to view. If you're interested, please check us out at www.jamico.com.